Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to disable smooth transitions in Telegram. If you've noticed extra animations while navigating the app and prefer a faster, more direct experience, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will slide out with several options. From here, tap on Settings. This will take you to your account and app customization options. Now look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave, including themes, text size, and animations. Once you're inside Chat Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Animations. Tap on it to open the animation settings. Here's the key step. You'll see a toggle called Enable Smooth Transitions. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why you see those sliding and fading effects while using the app. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. And that's it. Smooth transitions are now disabled, making Telegram feel quicker and more responsive, especially on older devices or if you just prefer a cleaner, no animation experience. If you found this helpful, consider exploring more Telegram settings to customize your experience even further. There are plenty of hidden options that can make the app work exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.